In the next minutes, we will set up a very reliable backup workflow for your PC using an ASUSTOR NAS. But before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly look at the idea behind the setup. First, we need a volume on the NAS that uses the BetterFS file system. This is important because snapshots only work on BetterFS volumes. Inside that volume, we create a folder that will store the backups from the PC. Next, we install ASUSTOR Backup Plan on the computer and create a new backup job. This job will regularly backup selected folders from the PC to the NAS. During the setup, we simply select our NAS, choose the folder we want to backup and the folder we created on the BetterFS volume, and define when the backup should run. After that, we create a snapshot schedule for that same folder on the NAS. The important detail is that the snapshot runs slightly later than the PC backup. That way, the NAS captures the freshly updated backup state. With this setup, you do not only have a backup of your files, you also have multiple historical versions that you can restore at any time. Now let's go through the complete setup together.